Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. Our 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. Ripple's long-running court case against the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, may be about to come to a conclusion. XRP enthusiasts are hopeful that Judge Torres will rule in favor of Ripple, given recent events that could potentially tip the scales in their favor. During a recent testimony in front of Congress on April 18, SEC Chair Gary Gensler faced questions about the recent events in the crypto market. Gensler evaded some of the questions and seemed at a loss for words in response to others. This has fueled doubts about his ability to lead the regulatory body, and Congressman Warren Davidson has introduced legislation proposing his dismissal from the SEC as chair. The uncertainty of the case has put pressure on Ripple, especially after the company dropped XRP from its liquidity hub due to a lack of regulatory clarity. The growing sentiment on social media is that a ruling in favor of Ripple is overdue and could signal the need for Gensler's exit. If Gensler is dismissed from the SEC, it could have a positive impact on the crypto market. The regulatory body's regulation by enforcement tactic, which has been criticized for a long time, could come to an end, potentially leading to an increase in crypto companies' faith in the regulations. This, in turn, could result in companies that have moved or are considering moving operations out of the US, such as NEXO and Coinbase, to stay or return. In conclusion, while nothing is certain at the moment, the outcome of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit and Gensler's potential exit from the SEC could have far-reaching consequences for the crypto market. A ruling in favor of Ripple could lead to an increase in the value of XRP and a bullish trend across the entire cryptocurrency market. Xrp New News Update. SEC Chair Gary Gensler faced questioning at a congressional hearing regarding the ongoing legal battle between the SEC and Ripple over allegations of unregistered security sales in the form of XRP. When asked whether he believes XRP is a security, Gensler refused to provide a clear answer, citing ongoing court discussions on the matter. Gensler's response surprised some, given his prior statements that XRP is a security. Congressman Warren Davidson introduced a bill calling for Gensler's removal as SEC chairman, citing his adverse enforcement approach in the crypto sector and alleged failures to protect investors. The outcome of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is still pending, and pressure from Congress may impact the ruling. Xrp New News Update. The recent congressional hearing on the supervision of cryptocurrencies and regulatory purview could potentially add support to Ripple's argument in its ongoing lawsuit against the SEC. XRP token holders are hopeful that the lack of clarity in the regulatory environment highlighted during the hearing could work in their favor. During the hearing, SEC Chair Gary Gensler was questioned on whether Ethereum, ETH, is a security or a commodity. He failed to provide a clear answer, which could potentially support Ripple's argument that XRP tokens were not sold as securities in the last few years, as against the SEC's claim. Moreover, Congressman Warren Davidson called for the removal of Gensler from his position, citing abuse of power and failure to protect investors. While the outcome of the Gensler hearing remains uncertain, the XRP community remains optimistic about a victory in the SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit. The summary judgment in the case is expected to be announced soon, and a ruling in favor of Ripple could potentially have a bullish impact on the entire cryptocurrency market. Xrp New News Update. On Wednesday, a massive liquidation caused Bitcoin and Ethereum prices to fall sharply as traders took a cautious approach amid inflation fears. Over $160 million worth of crypto assets were liquidated in an hour, and $250 million was liquidated in the past 24 hours, leading to a broader sell-off across the crypto market. Bitcoin's price fell 5% to $29,000, while Ethereum prices plummeted sharply below the $2,000 level, falling over 6% in the last 24 hours. Other altcoins, including BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polygon, Matic, and Solana, tumbled nearly 5%. The global crypto market fell 3% to $1.23 trillion in the last 24 hours. The Bank of England and the European Central Bank's consideration of increasing interest rates further to bring inflation under target rates, and US Fed's officials favoring a higher terminal rate of between 5.50% to 5.75% and another 25 bits per second rate hike in May caused the global stock markets to fall, and the US dollar index, DXY, effectively jumped higher to 102. As Bitcoin failed to hold at $29,700 to $29,800, a cascade of liquidations caused a deep correction in the markets. Miles Deutscher said 200 hours of BTC price action were wiped out in just 13 minutes as Bitcoin's price fell below $30,000. Xrp New News Update. According to JD, a well-known crypto chartist, recent analyses indicate that XRP may be on the verge of a significant breakout despite ongoing consolidation. XRP has been caught in a symmetrical triangle, with the bulls and bears contending to determine its next direction. Bearish reports surrounding XRP have exacerbated the trend, but JD advised investors to ignore these reports and pay attention to technical analysis instead. Another prominent analyst, Xrp, also predicted a significant breakout for XRP, but emphasized that this is dependent on recapturing the 58 cents price level, which has been a strong resistance level. XRP's recent consolidation has dampened bullish sentiment, but it has still increased by an impressive 37% in the past month. Xrp New News Update. It is common knowledge that Ripple sells XRP tokens to reduce its holdings, and this has been confirmed by Ripple CTO David Schwartz. Ripple sells XRP tokens in connection with its on-demand liquidity, ODL, solution, which caters to multiple entities across nearly 40 payout markets. Ripple's report on XRP for Q4 2022 revealed that the technology firm sold $226.31 million worth of XRP in the quarter alone. This figure was $310.68 million in Q3 2022. Ripple's decision to sell off its XRP instead of leveraging it for the Liquidity Hub solution was questioned by a pseudonymous crypto proponent. However, Schwartz responded by saying that there is nothing else Ripple can realistically do with its XRP, and the general consensus is that it would be better if Ripple held less XRP. As the issuer of XRP, Ripple is the single largest holder of XRP. To contribute to decentralization, Ripple periodically offloads its XRP holdings. Data from CoinCarp shows that the first two largest XRP wallets collectively hold over 2.7 billion XRP tokens, representing 3.73% of the asset's circulating supply. These wallets, and numerous others, are owned by Ripple. Xrp New News Update. It appears that there are several bullish signs for the future price of Stellar, XLM. The recent breakthrough of diagonal resistance levels and confirmation of support at $0.100 indicate a positive trend for buyers. The next resistance level is at $0.235, with the weekly RSI supporting the ongoing increase. Additionally, Elliott wave theory suggests that the current price increase is part of a 5-wave pattern, with the price currently in wave 3. The longer length of wave 3 than wave 1 supports the idea that the increase is impulsive. The next likely target for the top is an average price of $0.121, with the possibility of reaching $0.150 if the entire price increase is considered. However, if the price falls below the sub-wave 1 high at $0.099, the XLM price could see a drop to $0.070. Xrp New News Update. Cardano offers a DeFi ecosystem for staking through its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros. ADA holders can delegate their funds to stake pools, and validators are paid with staking rewards. Self-custodial wallets are a popular option for users to hold their ADA and participate in staking without giving up control of their assets. Cardano has a range of native wallet solutions, including full node and light wallets for different platforms and functionalities such as NFT support and multi-address wallets. Staking in a custodial wallet allows users to retain complete control over their ADA tokens, and delegation is based on the amount of ADA in the wallet on the last epoch boundary. To stake ADA in a self-custodial wallet, such as Yorwa, follow these steps. Number 1. Download and set up a self-custodial wallet that supports ADA staking. Number 2. Transfer ADA tokens to the wallet. Number 3. Find a staking pool that you want to delegate your ADA to. There are various tools available to help you find a pool with desirable rewards, fees, and performance. Number 4. Choose the staking pool and delegate your ADA to the pool. Number 5. Wait for the next epoch boundary, which happens every 5 days, the start earning staking rewards. It's worth noting that delegating ADA to a pool doesn't involve sending the tokens to the pool's operator. Your ADA tokens remain in your wallet, and you retain complete control over them at all times. Delegation is based on the amount of ADA in your wallet at the last epoch boundary. Staking rewards vary depending on the staking pool's performance, fees, and other factors. However, on average, staking rewards for ADA holders are currently around 4% annually. Xrp New News Update. Intel, the world's largest semiconductor chip manufacturer, is abandoning its Bitcoin application-specific integrated circuits, ASIC, production, according to a spokesperson for the company. The Blockscale 1000 series ASIC has been end-of-life, and no future generations have been announced. In February 2022, Intel had announced its plan to create energy-efficient accelerators, or ASIC technology, for blockchain technologies. The announcement was followed by the unveiling of the Bonanza Mine BMZ-1 at the 2022 International Solid-State Circuits Conference, ISSCC. Mining firms such as Hive, Argo, Block, and Grid had reportedly bought Bitcoin mining chips from Intel in March 2022. However, Intel is discontinuing its Bitcoin accelerator production as it prioritizes its investments in IDM 2.0. Xrp New News Update. The news of Elon Musk changing the name of Twitter to X Corp and working on an Everything app has caused a stir in the crypto market, particularly for Dogecoin. The price of Doge has risen by 15% in a week, with a 25% increase following the change in the Twitter logo to a Dogecoin logo. This has sparked speculation about Doge payment support on the platform. Doge is currently trading at $0.0933, with a 2% increase in the last 24 hours. It remains to be seen how this development will impact the crypto market and the adoption of Dogecoin as a payment method. Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 1 indicate a buy signal for XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 0 recommends selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 14 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be neutral, with 1 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 15 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy XRP. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a 1-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come 1 candle before a specific prediction date or 1 candle after the prediction date. Now for the date to look out for: Saturday, April 22, 2023, and Wednesday, April 26, 2023. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.